ऊपर ये सब so nephron or uriniferous tubule divided into two portions. One is Malpighian body and second one is tubules. Malpighian body and tubules. This Malpighian body is also known as Malpighian corpuscles. This Malpighian corpuscles are made up of two portions. One is glomerulus, that is a tuft of capillaries, and second one is Bowman's capsule. Whereas tubules are PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, Henle's loop, DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Henle's loop is divided into two parts: descending and ascending. Descending is also divided into two parts: thick and thin. Ascending is also divided into two parts: thin and thick. So this is actually complete nephron. Proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, Henle's loop, descending, thick and thin, ascending, thin and thick. And Malpighian body or Malpighian corpuscles are known as glomerulus plus Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus is actually the tuft of capillaries, and this is present in a cup-like structure that is known as Bowman's capsule. डायग्राम वाइज कैसा होता है अब करूं Clear? Now this is the diagram of nephron. कैसा होता है ये आपका? This is known as afferent arteriole. This is known as efferent arteriole. This portion is known as PCT. This is known as thick descending limb of HL, Henle's loop. This one is thin segment. This is again thin. This one is thick. This portion is known as DCT, and this portion is known as CT, that is collecting duct. And these collecting ducts, when unite together, they form duct of Bellini. These collecting duct, when unite together, they form duct of Bellini. अब एक्चुअल में जो बोमस कैप्सूल होता है वो होता कैसा है? वो कुछ ऐसा होता है. इसकी जगह पे अगर अपन उसको ऐसे बनाए तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. It's just surrounding this capillary loop. Clear? It just capillary loop को क्या करता है? Surround. Clear? Now, as such, the Bowman's capsule have two layers. The one layer which is, वैसे तो वो एक ही लेयर है, लेकिन वो वापस जो मैंने बताया था सीलोम के अंदर दो लेयर बन जाती है. Just like it, the layer of Bowman's capsule which is just surrounding the capillary tuft is known as visceral layer. The layer of Bowman's capsule just surrounding the capillary tuft is known as visceral layer, and the layer which is not surrounding it is known as parietal layer. Known as parietal layer. So this is the diagram of nephron, except this collecting duct or collecting tubule. अब इसमें देखो अपन को क्या क्या देखने को मिल रहा है और क्या क्या इसका हिस्टोलॉजिकल लाइनिंग होगा, है ना. सबसे पहले Bowman's capsule is lined with, so there are two layers of Bowman's capsule. One is just surrounding the capillary loop. This is surrounded by a special kind or lined with a special kind of epithelium, and these epithelium is like this. This is a cell. Now this cell is look like this. कैसे दिख रही है? ये मेरा एक सेल है और इस सेल के ये बहुत सारे क्या है? पोर्ट्स. क्लियर? तो ये कैसा हो जाएगा? ये कैपिलरी लूप और इस कैपिलरी लूप को दे सराउंड लाइक दिस. तो इसके बीच में क्या बन जाएगी? There is a space and these spaces are known as filtration slits. Clear? So the space which is present between these ports is known as filtration slits, and these special kind of cells are known as podocytes. These cells are known as podocyte. क्या है podocyte? They are a special kind of squamous epithelium. It is a special kind of squamous epithelium. Why they are known as podocyte? साइट का मतलब सेल, पोडो का मतलब लेग्स. ऐसी सेल जिनके लेग्स हो, जिनके लिम्स हो, उन्हें अपन क्या बोलते हैं? पोडोसाइट. बिकॉज पोडा वर्ड इज ऑल्सो सुडोपोडिया, है ना, फॉल्स फुट. सो ये जो बीच बीच में जगह बन रही है ना, उससे अपन के क्या बनेंगे? फिल्ट्रेशन स्लिट. क्लियर? सिर्फ किसको लाइन करेगी? दीज पोडोसाइट्स ओनली लाइन visceral epithelium, not parietal. It only line this visceral layer. Clear? Whereas this parietal layer is lined with simple squamous epithelium. This parietal layer is lined with simple squamous epithelium. So parietal layer is lined with simple squamous epithelium. It is lined with simple squamous epithelium. Clear? तो जो आपका विसरल लेयर है उसके अंदर पोडोसाइट्स होगी, है ना, और ऐसा लिखा हुआ है आपके टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर, पोडोसाइट्स इज यूज्ड टू फॉर्म अ फिल्ट्रेशन स्लिट्स. और ये जो दूसरा होगा वहां पे कौन सी लेयर होगी? क्या बोलेंगे इसे अपन? सिंपल स्क्वामस एपिथेलियम. यहां पे जो एपिथेलियम होगा वो कौन सा होगा? सिंपल स्क्वामस. सो two type of epithelium are found in Bowman's capsule. Just surrounding the capillary is known as podocyte. Also it is a type of squamous epithelium, but it is a special type of cells, podocytes, whereas in case of visceral layer, this parietal layer, there is only simple squamous epithelium. Now in case of PCT, PCT is lined with such kind of cells, and these cells are known as, in which the height and width of cell is same. Clear? क्या बोलते हैं उन सेल को अपन? जब when their length and width are same, the cells and the nucleus is present in the center, they are known as cuboidal cell. क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें अपन? Cuboidal cells. Clear? So these cuboidal cells or this PCT is